Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is Windows 8 news for August 10th, 2013. So we have new information and about Windows 8.1. One of the things that changed is Microsoft started saying last spring that Windows 8.1 was an upgrade to Windows 8, but they changed the name, they changed the way they mention Windows 8.1, and now they call it a update and not an upgrade. And that makes all the difference, because a upgrade means it's a really big new version of Windows, but an update kind of tells us it's just a rework of Windows 8 that exists right now. So the update is apparently quite near. The only thing that we don't know about the update for Windows 8.1 is the different release dates precisely. Now, according to Mary Jo Foley of Everything About Windows, we are very close to a Windows 8.1 release to RTM. RTM means retail to manufacturers. That means that apparently one of the dates that was kind of mentioned is like August 15th. Means that August 15th would be the date where manufacturers, those big companies like Dell, Toshiba, HP, get Windows 8.1 to put in their new computers. So it means that retail manufacturers will have Windows 8.1. Everybody's pretty sure that it's this month, so in August we're getting a retail to manufacturers. But then we need OEM, which is the original equipment manufacturer, and the versions that will come up to the public, and that's the unknown. We know that retail to manufacturer will be this month, that's for sure. Everybody agrees that it's very close. It could be any day now. It could be on Monday, August 12th. It could be the 15th, which was mentioned a lot. And it could be a little later, but one thing that everybody agrees on, August is the month for the release of Windows 8.1 to manufacturers. But once that is done, what's the date for everybody? When will it be available to the Microsoft Store for everyone? That's the big question. Somebody mentioned it could be as late as October, because it will be the the first anniversary of Windows 8. Okay, that's a possibility. I don't say that it's not possible. It could be October. It's kind of a little far away. What I've heard through different sources is that it might be early September. Apparently, retail to manufacturer this month, that's for sure. In September, somewhere in the beginning to mid-September, we'll have Windows 8.1 released on the Microsoft Store. You'll be able to download it free on all of your Windows 8 machines. So if you have a Windows 8 machine at this time, probably a month and a half maximum, you'll probably have an upgrade. Somebody also, said, why wait? As soon as it's RTM, released to manufacturers, why not just put it online? Who knows? We might have it as early as August. So, keep in mind, it's coming up. When exactly, we're not sure. But one thing's for sure, we are very close to a Windows 8.1 release that is sure, and we are very close probably to a Windows 8.1 release to everybody that has a Windows 8 machine right now. For those that don't follow the news, keep in mind Windows 8.1 free of charge to all Windows 8 users. You'll have to get it through the Microsoft Store for that to be free. If you go out to the store and buy a copy on a DVD, you'll have to pay. You'll have to pay for it. You'll have to buy it. There's no pricing that was really released about 8.1. I would suggest that it's the same pricing. If you buy an upgrade version to an existing Windows, probably something like $129 or $139. If you buy the full version, it's closer to $200. Depends on what you buy. So the best way to get it if you have a Windows 8 machine will be to download it from the Microsoft Store, but the problem with downloads through that media is the fact that if you have a very slow internet connection, and a lot of people have pretty much basic internet, which means that downloading that big package, which will be something like 1.6, 1.7 gigabyte, is kind of a big download for a slow connection. So Windows 8.1 might take several hours to download, but it still can be worth the wait because you'll have a free of charge upgrade. One of the bad things also that nobody has really talked about is, okay, well, if I want to reinstall Windows 8, I'll have to reinstall Windows 8 scratch from my recovery DVDs and then re-download and install 8.1, which is kind of annoying. But of course it's not as annoying necessarily as just downloading a service pack. So basically they should have called it Windows 8 SP1 instead of Windows 8.1. I don't know who was thinking about that name. So take a look regularly. As soon as it's available on the Microsoft Store, we'll immediately make a video. So that's why you should subscribe to our channel. You'll be informed as soon as Windows 8 is available. Windows 8.1 is available on the Microsoft Store. You'll know the same day, and we'll keep up to date on that news of Windows 8. So Windows 8.1, very close, very close. We'll get it soon. Apart from that, not too much information. Make sure you make your updates for Windows because lots of little security problems that were seen this month and that are updated with Microsoft updates, especially in when the Internet Explorer 10. And of course, take a look. As soon as we have Windows 8.1, we'll also have the brand new browser, which is Internet Explorer 11. That is one thing for sure. We'll have the final release of Internet Explorer 11 that hopefully works better than the preview of Windows 8.1, because up to date, until now, I've had a lot of problems with the Internet Explorer 11. But you know, it's not a finished product, and that's probably the main reason. But I do have pretty good performance out of Internet Explorer 10, and it's actually become one of the browsers that I use frequently to surf the web, because it is just such a great browser now, Internet Explorer 10 being really good. Little comment about that. A lot of people on my reviews of Internet Explorer 10 saying, well, you know, piece of crap, blah blah blah, always freezes, doesn't work well. Well, the biggest problems with browsers, and especially Internet Explorer, is your add-ons. People say, well, you know, Internet Explorer is crap. It's not crap. It's actually quite good. If it's crap on your machine, it's because your machine might have a lot of stuff pre-installed on it that aren't compatible with Internet Explorer. And another reason, and a lot of people tend to overlook that, a lot of people say, well, you know, Internet Explorer doesn't work on my machine, but you might have a virus on your machine. It doesn't mean because your antivirus is there that you don't have any viruses. Antiviruses aren't 100% safe. So you got to be careful with that, because on all machines that I've deployed Internet Explorer 10 actually, and that includes all my Windows 7 machines that I have here, I haven't had any problem at all on any machines. So if you have a problem, be constructive and don't just say, well, I don't install that, it's crap. That's not constructive, and that's actually showing me only that well, you know, you just putting spam on my channel. That's it. So if you have a problem, and that's possible because all software and all upgrades will have problems, give details. Say, well, okay, I've installed it, I have this type of problem with it. And sometimes you never know, we can come up with an idea of something you can try to fix it. So if you enjoy our videos, click the subscribe button and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. And of course, subscribe. It's a great way to know when Windows 8.1 is released and when you can get it. And also, all the videos are going to be there showing you on how to upgrade. And if any problems arise from the upgrade, we'll try to put videos to tell you how to fix these upgrade problems. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.